What is paraphrasing? Oxford Dictionaries defines paraphrasing as restating what someone else has said or written about using different words. Simply put, paraphrasing is restating an original material with your own words. For today's video, we're going to talk about paraphrasing and how to do it in just 5 easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Read the original material several times. Like it or not, there is no paraphrasing that's going to happen unless we have truly understood what the material means. So read the material, reread as many times as you need to. Number 2, identify the key points. Obviously, you don't have to restate everything that is contained in the original material. Only restate what is important. In order for you to identify the key points, it's very helpful that you make some annotations or underline or highlight the important points in the original material. Number 3, one way to restate the key points is by the use of synonyms. Synonyms are words with similar meanings, such as a synonym of pretty is beautiful and of huge, large. However, we have to be very careful because merely replacing one word with its synonym does not always guarantee effective paraphrasing. However, paraphrasing does get done by using synonyms. We will look at some examples in a while and how we can use synonyms in order to create an effective paraphrase.
It's practice time. Pause the button while you answer. For the following sentences, replace the bold-faced words with an appropriate synonym. Number 1, the government must take immediate action to address the effects of climate change. Number 2, she was determined to pursue a career in fashion design despite the challenges. Number 3, excessive use of social media can have a negative impact on mental health. Number 4, the company's innovative approach to renewable energy attracted global investors. And number 5, critical thinking is an essential skill for academic success and real-world problem solving. Now, if you need time, you can always pause this video to work on your activity. Now, are you done? Let's check your answer. For number 1, the bold-faced word is immediate. 2 of its synonyms are urgent and prompt. For number 2, for the word determined, your answers could be committed and driven. For number 3, negative here in the context of the sentence could mean ill or detrimental. Number 4, innovative may have the following synonyms: original and creative. And for number 5, essential means important or necessary. Let's continue.
Number 4, change the sentence structure. Another way by which we can paraphrase the original material is by converting the active voice of the verb into the passive voice. So for example, in the sentence, students love to use technology as an aid for learning, we can change this sentence into technology is most often loved or preferred by students as an aid or tool for learning.
It's practice time. Pause this video and use the time to answer. Change the sentences in the active voice into the passive voice. Number 1, Professor Santos presented his paper in the International Educators Conference. Number 2, the Gen Z votes significantly influence the election results. And number 3, the government will implement new policies effective next year. Okay, if you're done, then let's check your work. For number 1, our answer is his paper was presented by Professor Santos in the International Educators Conference. Number 2, the election results were significantly influenced by the Gen Z vote. For number 3, new policies will be implemented by the government next year. Now this time, let's change the sentences from the passive to the active voice. As usual, pause this video if you need more time to answer. Change these sentences into the active voice. Number 1. A study on the effects of social media on student focus received funding from the Bank of Asia. Number 2. The school's Rookie of the Year award was won by Charles Reyes. And number 3. Surprise treats were given to several mothers for Mother's Day. Take your time, pause the video, and think of the answer. Now, if you're done, then let's check your work. For number 1, the correct answer or one of the possible correct sentence structures could be, the Bank of Asia gave funding to a study on the effects of social media on student focus. For number 2, Charles Reyes won the school's Rookie of the Year award. And for number 3, several mothers received a surprise treat for Mother's Day. Now, let's continue.
And finally, number 5, break up long sentences into shorter ones or combine shorter sentences into long ones.
It's practice time. This time, we are going to break each of the long sentences into 2 shorter ones. Number 1, the company launched a new product that uses sustainable materials and aims to reduce its carbon footprint significantly. Number 2, because social media allows instant communication and wide information sharing, it has become a powerful tool for both social movements and misinformation. Now, as always, don't forget you can take your time by pausing this video and answering. Now, if you're done, let's check your work. For number 1, the correct answers are, the company launched a new product that uses sustainable materials, and the second sentence is, it also aims to reduce its carbon footprint significantly. For number 2, we broke this long sentence into, social media allows instant communication and wide information sharing. That's the first sentence. And the second sentence is, it has become a powerful tool for both social movements and misinformation. Now let us continue. This time around, as we practice with more sentence writing, we will combine the 2 sentences into just one long sentence. Ready? Okay, here we go. Number 1, the seminar starts at 9 a.m. All participants must arrive 15 minutes early. Number 2, she practiced her speech every night. She delivered it confidently during the contest. Now you know what to do. You may pause this video in order for you to have more time to think of the answer. All done? Let's check your work. For number 1, the correct answer could be, or one of the possible answers could be, the seminar starts at 9 a.m., so all participants must arrive 15 minutes early. And for number 2, because she practiced her speech every night, she delivered it confidently during the contest.
Here's a final tip. Once you're done implementing the 5 steps in paraphrasing effectively, it is best that you go back and read the original material and compare it with what you have already written. Make sure you still have the original thought of the text and that your work does not sound very similar to the original material. Otherwise, if you feel like it still sounds very much like the original material, then you go back and do what needs to be done all over again. Take note, paraphrasing is done so that you can restate something using your own words. Above all, paraphrasing is also done so that we do not unintentionally plagiarize the work of other people. And that's what you've learned for today. Thanks for joining and see you in the next learning session.